Hello you guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to factory reset your iPhone without Apple ID or passcode in 2024. So if you have not used your iPhone, or you're not on your iPhone, or if you're on your MacBook or iPad, you can use this method. Or if you have an iPhone and you want to erase its content but you do not want to use your Apple ID and your password, this method is for you. So what you want to do is search for Find My iPhone on your app library. So click on it, and as you can see, my iWatch and my phone is connected to this device, or this Find My iPhone. Then you can click on the devices like this, then click on the device you want to erase the content, and as you can see here, there's an option of erase this device. So if you click on erase this device, this will permanently erase all your contents on your iPhone or your iPad or your iWatch. So this is a quick and easy way on how to factory reset your iPhone without using your Apple ID or passcode. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. Please subscribe and share this video as well. If you have any more comments, then also leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing out. I'll see you on the next one.